All right, so we are going to remove this part and get the bracket out. So the cover's already been removed. Tools you'll need: an extension, something thin like this. This is a nail set. I also have one of the actual rods from this because you need to get these two out. Use this, pliers, a hammer. Right off, I just want to make sure that when you put this back together, this has to be on the outside of this. Don't have it underneath. So this one's pretty much garbage because the wires are exposed somewhere. One of these is bad right there. All right, so first we're going to take the motor off. Now, sometimes this has like a hex. This has just screws, so it's easier. So we'll take this out. And notice how this says R. These motors are specific to the sides, so don't mix them up. You can tell by the numbers underneath, but I still have to look them up. So this is a right-hand side. It's 132003. So this one's good. You don't want to put a bad one on. It's still connected here and here. There's another one of these little controllers. So next, we want to take this off, but you don't want to bend it. And it's real easy to bend. It's aluminum, little tiny things here. So I use one of these. You just want to get the little clip off, but not bend it. So we got that off. Now you want to disengage this. This is the set for when you put the cover on. You don't want to bend that, it's getting a little bent. But I have a bunch of these, but you're probably not going to. And you want to loosen this, and this is under pressure. So you want to just grab it. So we still got to get this off. I think it's still locked. That's the problem. So you want to make sure it's unlocked. That'll come out. All right. So now you can weave these. Be careful because these will easily get cut. You don't want bare exposed wires. All right, so you're ready to get this off. So I'm going to take it, if you can see, this is the top, and that's how these are directional. You can see there's a flat part and then a tip. So the tips are down here, and to knock it back, you got to first hit it with the end of this. So I just kind of set it here. This one. Okay, so they're kind of flat now. You can rub your finger on it. So then you can take something metal that's thin. I use this thing. It's not as good as this. So once you get it going, you gotta give it room underneath to come out. that might be enough to grip it now. And for this one, let's see if we can get it. There's one. There's two. And there's that. So now you're ready to do the reverse. Make sure you have the right bracket. And that's it.